Hello, my name is Laura Christensen Colberg, and I'm running for Washington State Supreme Court Justice, Position 1. There are 3 ways I'm your best candidate in this election. I'm impartial, experienced, and bring a unique perspective to the court. Impartial means I have no history of partisan activism on any issue that may come before the court. Experienced means I've worn the black robe for 18 years. I've considered arguments and signed thousands of court orders already. The unique perspective I bring is as a justice who has practiced family law, the first person in 20 years to do so before coming to the Supreme Court bench. I'll unpack each of these a bit further after I tell you more about myself. I grew up in Wenatchee and graduated as valedictorian. I babysat and worked in food service at Central Washington Hospital. I was a Rotary Exchange student to Venezuela, learned the culture and language, and returned with an appreciation for the privileges we have in the U.S. I worked my way through Seattle Pacific University at Ken's Market on Queen Anne, then was accepted into UW School of Law, and later hired at a small firm near my home in North Seattle. As the most impartial candidate, you don't have to wonder or worry about my decisions and legal analysis being influenced by allegiance to persons or politicians or a preconceived bias on any issue. I have no political debts. I won't need to consider recusing myself on legislation that might be challenged because I was an employee of the governor who signed it, or because I have previously challenged other laws on similar topics. I'm the only candidate who can come to the bench with a clean slate, accountable only to you, the voters of Washington. My experience comes from practicing family law for 30 years, serving as a pro tem court commissioner for 18 years, and as a court-appointed arbitrator for 10. I have already been entrusted to make decisions in complex cases involving real people, affecting children and families for years, doing so with careful thought and consideration. I come to the Supreme Court with decision-making experience. Family law is the unique perspective I bring. There are justices with backgrounds in civil rights, intellectual property, and criminal law, all valuable points of view. However, very few of you will be prosecuted for a crime or sued for a civil rights violation. Most of you know someone who has been through divorce, or you've experienced this yourself. These decisions seldom get reviewed because the cost in resources and time is too high. I hope to address the importance of handling family law matters as quickly as possible. In the case of children who grow up overnight, justice delayed is justice denied. Please vote for the impartial, experienced candidate with a unique family law perspective to bring to the court. Learn more about me at laura4position1.com.